Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add text. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is head over into your sources. It should be at the bottom of your little OBS tab right here. And then here, let me go ahead and close that real quick. And then you're just going to press the plus button. And then from here, go ahead and find the text. And then you can just go ahead and change the font to your text from here. You can change all different stuff about it and then go ahead and type it in. Hello. And then as you stream, this text will essentially appear wherever you put it within your video. And then you can edit where it is and how big it is and all sorts of different kind of stuff by right clicking on it and pressing properties. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. Other than that, though, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.